Welcome to downtown Easley. I'm at this new SILOS. It's awesome. It's a brewery. It's a pub inside. They have awesome brewed beers. They have an Indian kitchen, an Italian kitchen, donuts, coffee, and Inkies on the other side. I'm gonna go down these stairs here in a second, and then I'm gonna show you around a little bit. Just give me 1 second. I'm gonna roll out into this parking lot, turn around, and come on back. Here we go, guys. This is our nice little spot, Easley, South Carolina. It's called the Grain Yard. It's awesome. Check it out. SILOS is so cool. It's our little Italian place. We have ice cream, Pink Mama's ice cream here. We got indigo chicken on the other side. Check it out. I'm gonna run through the brewery here in a second. It's a beautiful place. They've done a great job. They have live music. They have fun for the kids.
We're moved up here now, and I'm playing local events, and got a band together that's going to be doing the 4th of July event on July the 2nd.
This is the SILOS bar. Check it out, guys. They've done a great job in here. It's beautiful. I'll take you down one of these corridors real quick and bring you back. You can come and get your beer, hang out in the back of the SILOS. Everything's cool here. All these people, awesome. Wonderful brew, wonderful brew. Look at them. They're doing a great job. So glad to get something awesome to Easley. The Italian pizza place on the other side is wonderful. This side we got a coffee shop and a donut shop. They do parties, everything, Inkies. It's an awesome little establishment. They got a little bit of everything for everybody here. Check it out. Donut shop, coffee shop, ice cream, Indian food, and pizza. Wow, look at this. Isn't this great? This is awesome. Live music, beautiful crowds. Check it out. Peace out, guys. Easley, South Carolina, the SILOS.